Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Let's make a no-fuss South Indian style green beans subzi today. My dear friends, while cooking, I want you to remember you are blessed because you can go within and touch the stillness and pure love that lie at the core of your being. So first, let's start by chopping the green beans. They have to be chopped really fine, small rounds like that. And let's chop the green chilies. I'm slicing them in lengthwise. And let's take 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. I'm using fresh frozen. We need 2 stalks of curry leaves and some spices. So now take a saucepan, heat it on medium-high heat. Add about a tablespoon of oil or less if you want. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, and let them sputter. And then add the curry leaves, just the leaves, not the stalk. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and the green chilies, and just fry them for half a minute or so. And now add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to this. And the green beans, the chopped green beans. Mix it so that all the spices are coated to the green beans. Add some salt and some turmeric, and then again mix, making sure everything is all blended really well. Add 1/4 cup of water. Not too much, just 1/4 cup of water. Again, mix. Put a lid on it and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Do not overcook. Then take the lid off. Add the 1 cup of fresh coconut. Mix it. And you do not need to cook the coconut. So the subzi is done. There, that's it. That is one delicious looking subzi. But before we taste it, let's remember you are blessed because you can go within and touch the stillness and pure love that lie at the core of your being. All right, let's taste this. Really good. Yum yum. You know, I like salty, savory things better than sweets, really. And this is one of my favorite subjis.